Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to Breakfast Notes. This isn't the Breakfast Club like I had more people with me, but I don't. But I'm gonna show us how to make something that I've been eating every single day, every morning, and it's really healthy and it's good. And it's very, very, very simple. Check it out. Oats. It's a half a cup of oats, measuring cup. Good feature, helpful tool. Strawberries, delicious, tasty, somewhat cheap compared to other things in the world, but still expensive. Blueberries, same story, somewhat cheap but somewhat expensive, still expensive. So it's okay, it'll go down in probably 10 years. And a banana, yes, that's a half a banana, and it does look like it was in the refrigerator, and it was, so it's okay. So you put the three of these together, and then you take a half a cup of water, you put it in here, and then you take a half a cup of milk and you put it in here, and then you put this in the microwave for about 1 minute, and then after everything's chopped up, you put it all on top of here, and then you eat it. And then you can have some like tea too. One that I recommend, it can be good. I used to be drinking coffee for a while, and so I got off of that, and so Yorkshire Gold, this is like the luxury blend, but it's very delicious. It's affordable, and it does have caffeine, but a different type of boost to it. So it's like a softer boost. So no advertising, just showing you how to make a simple breakfast in the morning. You can make it nighttime, and then you can have it in the morning the next day. Really easy. You don't have to do anything that much except for what I just said. So stay tuned for something new. I don't know, eggs, bacon sounds original. I don't know, I'll think of something futuristic. All right, later.